When you think about global warming, what comes to mind? Melting glaciers, rising sea levels, maybe even polar bears on shrinking ice floes. We've all seen those images. But what if I told you that the most immediate, personal threat of a warming planet isn't just about the environment out there, but about the health inside your own body? Today, we're going beyond the melting ice to uncover the hidden health crises fueled by climate change, the ones you rarely hear about. Let's start with something many of us dread. Allergy season. Does it feel like your sneezing, itchy eyes, and runny nose are getting worse and lasting longer every year? You're not imagining it. Higher carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere act like a super fertilizer for plants, especially notorious pollen producers like ragweed. A single ragweed plant, which used to produce about 1 billion pollen grains a season, can now churn out double that. On top of that, warmer temperatures extend the growing season. This means we're not just getting a more intense allergy season. We're getting a supersized one that starts earlier and ends later. It's like allergy season on steroids, and it's turning what was once a seasonal annoyance into a chronic respiratory issue for millions. Now, let's venture into something a bit more chilling. Imagine ancient pathogens, frozen for thousands of years in permafrost, now waking up as the Arctic thaws. It sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real and growing concern for scientists. Permafrost is a massive frozen layer of soil that has kept ancient bacteria and viruses locked away. As it melts, these sleeping giant pathogens are being released back into the environment. In 2016, a heat wave in Siberia thawed a reindeer carcass infected with anthrax, leading to an outbreak that affected dozens of people and thousands of reindeer. Scientists have also successfully revived zombie viruses from Siberian permafrost that are tens of thousands of years old. While they currently only infect amoeba, it's a stark reminder that we don't know what else is lurking in the ice, waiting for its chance to re-emerge. Next, let us talk about a silent killer that, spreading through the world, as hottest regions. A mysterious kidney disease. In places like Central America, India, and Sri Lanka, a devastating number of agricultural workers, young, otherwise healthy men, are dying from chronic kidney failure. It's not caused by traditional factors like diabetes or high blood pressure. The culprit: extreme heat and chronic dehydration. Field laborers work grueling hours under a scorching sun, losing massive amounts of body fluid through sweat. These repeated severe dehydration puts an incredible strain on their kidneys, leading to irreversible damage over time. This isn't a problem of the future. It's a full-blown epidemic right now, creating a generation of widows and orphans. As global temperatures continue to climb, this kidney crisis is poised to spread, threatening outdoor workers everywhere. Beyond our physical bodies, the rising heat is also taking a toll on our minds. Have you ever felt more irritable, short-tempered, or just mentally drained on a really hot day? There's a scientific reason for that. Studies have consistently shown a link between rising temperatures and increased rates of aggression, anxiety, and even depression. Heat waves disrupt our sleep, which is crucial for mental regulation. Furthermore, there's the growing issue of eco-anxiety, a chronic fear of environmental doom. Watching news about wildfires, floods, and superstorms can leave us feeling helpless and hopeless. This mental health heat wave is a subtle but profound consequence of a destabilized climate, affecting our well-being in ways we're only just beginning to understand. So, as we've seen, the effects of global warming are not some distant, abstract problem. They are real now, affecting our allergies, exposing us to ancient diseases, damaging our organs, and straining our mental health. It's personal. This isn't about saving the polar bears anymore. It's about saving ourselves and our families. But I don't want to leave you feeling helpless. The scale of the problem is huge, but our collective actions can make a real difference. It starts with simple choices. For example, reducing food waste is a powerful climate action. About a third of all food produced globally is wasted, and its decomposition in landfills releases massive amounts of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. So, plan your meals, use your leftovers, and compost if you can. It saves you money and helps the planet. Another easy win is rethinking our transportation. If possible, try walking, biking, or using public transport for 1 or 2 trips a week instead of driving. Or consider carpooling. Every car trip we avoid means less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These small changes, when multiplied by millions of people, add up to a significant impact. Finally, let's talk about energy. Unplug electronics when you're not using them. Switch to LED light bulbs. Wash your clothes in cold water. These are tiny habits that reduce your energy consumption and lower your carbon footprint. It's about being more mindful of the power we use every day. We're all in this together. The health of our planet and the health of our bodies are deeply connected. By making small, conscious changes in our daily lives, we can push back against these threats and build a healthier future for everyone. It's not too late to act. Let's make it personal. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that connects the dots between our world and our well-being, and share this with someone you care about. Let's get this conversation started. See you in the next one.